This is Joseph, and today we got a new RC car. It's E-Revo. It's our fourth RC car we got. We're gonna introduce our old ones after this. First of all, this one is one of the fastest fastest RC car in 4x4. And let's open this. First, let's look at the remote control. A regular old remote controller. Looks basically the same like other ones. Now, let's go to the real treasure. Yes! Gigantic. Now, actually, we have to do this way. This way. This one is really big and very heavy. And we got this baby out. Look at this baby. And this is the we don't really need this, but okay. Now, yeah, there's in here now. Now we're gonna go to our old ones. We decorated them by lights. First, we will show our first big RC car we ever got. Okay.
Flash.
It's Traxxas, and it's Mark Jenkins, and it's super cool. This one goes 60 miles per hour, and this one mine. This is mine, and this is my favorite. Where's my thingy? Where's my thingy?
Oh.
Where did my thing go? My lights. Where's the lights thingy? Anyways, yeah, here it is. Look at this baby. It's so cool. And the backside also has a thing too. And my little brothers, which is this one. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah. This one is basically the same thing as mine. So enjoy. Where's the thing again? It takes so long to find them always. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so basically the same. And the behind is the same.
Police concept.
And this is a nitro rustler. And this is a Giotto, my favorite.
다 켜.
Now you will see the harmony of all. I'm gonna turn this up, everything. Where is it? Oh, here. So big, so beautiful, so beautiful, very beautiful. And we're gonna get some lights for that one too in the future. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed.